Simmons, meteorologist Damon Matson joins us once again. Damon, in most of the region, we hit 80s today. Some would consider that, based on what's ahead, a cool down.
Seriously, it's going to feel like a nice breeze on a hot day for us after what we're about to deal with. We'll be wishing for the upper 80s soon enough. But here's our view out there today. It was a little while before we finally got the sun to come back out. Those clouds, they were very stubborn, hanging overhead with all of that humidity, all of that moisture still lingering about from over the weekend when we got a decent amount of rain scattered about the area, and that's what's kept a lot of that mugginess in play. But with that sun breaking back out, not only is it muggy, but yes, we finally have that classic late June warmth, if you will. We're back up well into the 80s, again 88 in D.C. We have one spot, Westminster, at 91 there in northern Carroll County, but the rest of us, yeah, we just got out of those 70s after we stayed on the cooler end of things on Sunday. But here it is, dark green on our dew point map. It is feeling tropical out there all weekend long. It felt like you walked out into a wall of water. That's how humid it was and continues to be as we move on here toward the 4th of July holiday. Now, it may still be muggy, but yeah, the clouds are gone. There is not any rainfall, any storms nearby. This ridge of high pressure, this is going to be the key player into why over the next few days we really start to ramp up that heat and that humidity even more as it sets itself up south and even a little bit west of us there, funneling in all of those extremely hot temperatures and high humidity levels. And speaking of, here we go. As we head through the night tonight, we do get a slight cool down, but this is the last time we're going to see overnight lows in the 60s for quite a while, because check it out. Tomorrow, we get just a small increase in those temperatures. We'll have highs back in the lower to middle 90s. That's definitely on the warmer side of things, but not too out of the ordinary, right? But here we go. As we head into Tuesday night, barely a drop off, only down into the 70s as we head into your Wednesday morning, and then that sets the table Wednesday afternoon. We're looking at high temperatures, upper 90s to even into those triple digits a little bit out there, especially around D.C. into parts of northern Virginia. And this is just the start of these extreme temperatures. We're likely to see the triple digits again on Thursday and Friday, but it's not just the temperature that you need to be concerned about, folks. Put that aside. That's what the thermometer is going to read, right? But when you factor in how humid it's going to be, this is truly what matters. That heat index is going to be ramping up through past the 110-degree mark, especially on Thursday and Friday. And there is a slight bit of improvement heading toward the 4th of July on Saturday, but that's only because we get some storms in the mix to finally cool things down out there. Now, as far as any record temperatures are concerned for the month of July, these are the numbers we'd have to reach to break all-time records across the DMV. I don't think we quite get to 105, 106, but at this point, what does it matter? 102, 103 with humidity is still absolutely brutal. So technically, we may not break any records, but folks, this is dangerous stuff right here. This is the kind of heat you do not want to mess with. We have DMV first warn days in effect for all of that Wednesday through Friday. And again, it cools off, in quotes, as we head down to the mid-90s, but it's going to be storming out there for any of those events and celebrations happening during the holiday weekend.